Hi, I'm Eldar. I don't have a traditional office or a big desk, and most of my work happens in coffee shops, co-working spaces, at the kitchen table, or even outside in the mountains. And for the past 6 months or so, iPad Pro has been my main computer. And today, I want to show you what my daily iPad workflow looks like. My mornings usually begin at the kitchen table or on the couch with a cup of coffee. I open my task manager to see what the day looks like. And the ESR keyboard case I've been using makes typing quick and comfortable. For quick emails, messages, or planning, this setup is more than enough. And what I like about it is how effortless it is. I just open the iPad and start working. Sometimes I don't even use the keyboard. If I just want to follow a recipe or watch some video while cooking in the kitchen, I can leave the keyboard behind completely. And the built-in stand makes it easy to place the iPad anywhere without thinking about it. Once the morning routine settles, I often head to a coffee shop for more focused work. I usually keep things simple, so the iPad stays attached to the keyboard, and this is where I handle longer emails, detailed planning, or anything that requires more focused typing. For brainstorming, I like to use the iPad almost like a whiteboard, sketching ideas, planning projects, or outlining scripts. And the built-in stand allows me to place the iPad at a very nice angle, so it's super comfortable to use as a pencil. And speaking of pencil, the ESR pencil has been great for this. It feels very natural for note-taking and quick sketches, and I like that in addition to attaching it to the iPad, it can also live inside the case pocket. And even though this is the third-party pencil, it has the Find My support, which is a small detail, but really helpful if I ever misplace it. And when I move into more focused writing sessions, like longer emails or scripts for these videos, I usually switch into a vertical mode using the built-in stand. And when using apps like Apple Notes, which is one of my favorite notes for writing, having the screen taller and closer to eye level makes the text larger and more comfortable to read. It's a simple change, but it really helps reduce the neck strain over time. And if I have a call scheduled, something like a meeting on Zoom, I would usually detach the keyboard and place the iPad on a stand to bring it closer to the eye level. It just feels more natural and looks better, especially for longer calls. Another thing I appreciate here is the protection. When I'm moving between places or just working in a busy environment, I don't have to worry too much about bumps or drops. And when I'm packing up, the pencil pocket makes sure that my pencil stays in place. And when I need to get into deeper, more demanding work, like building a website or maybe designing something in Figma, I would usually go to a co-working space. And this is where my setup changes a bit, because I usually bring a portable display and use it as my main screen. And I place the keyboard in front of the larger display for more comfortable desk-like setup, and the iPad stays on the side as a secondary or reference screen. For example, when building a website, I can have the editor open on a big display and keep reference materials, notes, or Safari on the iPad. And this is where the detachable keyboard really makes a big difference, because it's not physically attached to the iPad. I can position everything exactly how I want. I'm not locked into a single layout, and I can adjust setup depending on the task. Even with this more advanced setup, everything still feels simple. When I'm done, I just fold everything up, put it in my bag, and move on. So at this point, the whole workflow has become very natural to me. I start simple at home in the morning, keep things focused and portable at the coffee shop, and scale up when I need more space for deep work in the co-working environment. The iPad is still at the center of everything, and the ESR keyboard case and pencil just make the day-to-day smoother and more adaptable to real life. I'm curious, what does your iPad setup looks like these days? Do you keep it minimal or do you have a more advanced setup? Please let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear. So thanks for watching. I will see you again